Volkswagen Charan 2011 have a code P011300. Intake air temperature. Need to change the air temperature sensor. This is the old air temperature sensor. It's corroded, so I need to remove the whole intake, so that intake hose, so that I can properly remove it because it's corroded. There's the new sensor. I just try it and it's okay. It's good now. It's working. That's why I need to remove it. There is 2 screw and some clips for the hose. The screw is I think it's Torx number 30. Yeah, one in the middle and one in the under. That's the new air temperature sensor. And then I'll just try it if it's appear again. And now the check engine is gone. That's the code for a P011300 for Volkswagen Charan 2011.